midday snack. We're in Costa Coffee in Kingswood. Going cheap. 50% off the sandwich. And they're obviously celebrating 50 years of something. 50 years seems an awfully long time. Gosh. Oh well. You can probably hear it's quite noisy in here. I won't film everybody though. So that'll have to do. Hi guys, midday snack. We're in Coffee One today. Yeah, haven't been in Coffee One for well over a year. Nothing to do with lockdown. We'd stopped coming into Coffee One because we'd got upset with their service. But we decided to give them another try today. Pleased to see they're doing the proper latte art, or whatever you want to call it again. A bit noisy in here. But, yeah, we'll give it a try, see how we get on. Nice thick toast, is that?
Yeah, malted.
Malted bloomer. Looking good. So, rainy day out here today. Pigeon and a magpie. Right there. Haven't done any more today to this stuff. Well, actually, that's not entirely true. I've been thinking about what we can do with it, but that's it. Anyway, Nanny's waiting for me to finish talking. So that'll do. Midday snack. Hi guys, midday snack in Costa Coffee again. Medium cappuccino, flat white, some sort of cake, and cheese and tomato toasty. And it's fairly busy out there, but I won't point the camera out the window. There's too many people going by. So that will do. Hi guys, Costa Coffee at Yate. A bit noisy in here, and plenty of people, so I can't really talk. That'll have to do. Midday snack at Yate. Hi guys, midday snack, ham rolls and crisps. And fruit juice. And got nothing to show you out here. Oh, the sun's just gone in. Yeah. Still warm. Oh, there we are. The sun's back out again. And he's got the washing on the line out there. I'm doing some varnishing in the garage, so nothing to show in here. So that's it really. Midday snack. Hi guys, midday snack. Costa Coffee in Keynsham. Looks empty from this side, doesn't it? But there's plenty of people sitting the other side of me. Hi guys, we're out and about again. Costa Coffee, Emerson's Green. Fairly busy here, so that will do. Well guys, a late midday snack. We've got visitors, you might be able to hear them chatting in the background. But I've just fixed this little fella that I found all in pieces in a charity shop box. He now works. and I'm having chocolate cake and coffee. So that's what I've done today, eaten chocolate cake and drunk coffee. Well guys, we're down at Breen. And it's pretty busy. People are well spaced out on the beach, but the car parks are absolutely jam solid. That's not the car park we're looking at, that's the beach where we are parked along there somewhere, about half a mile along there. Walked up here because there are only two sets of toilets on the beach. We're about midpoint between the two of them. So we've walked up here. Obviously there's great long queues at the toilets because people are only going in one at a time. No idea how long it took us to actually get in there. But yeah, that's well, I can't show you our midday snack because that's back at the car, so this will just have to do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.